Hola, my amigos. I got this Hypertherm Powermax 350. It's looking all crudded and everything. My goal is to restore it. Hypertherm is like the king of all plasma cutters. It's made in the United States, New Hampshire. I got it from a guy in somewhere back in the woods in New Hampshire. This is a plasma cutter that can run in both 240 and 120. And I'm planning to restore it to its glory. At least I'm going to start cleaning it. Hopefully it'll work and none of the electronics is busted. This is how it looks as is. It's kind of crudded up. My goal is to clean with a little bit of alcohol, take it all out and clean the insides. I'll walk you through the cleaning process. Hopefully after I clean it, I will be able to fire it up and it's going to serve me well. So I did a preliminary wipe down of the cables with alcohol wipes. And lo and behold, I was able to find the surprise secret compartment on the side. And I was lucky enough to find a spare nozzle and a spare electrode in here. Looks pretty decent. It looks like it's got all the correct labeling on it. That makes it even better. This is a genuine barn find of course. And I came here and the next goal now is for me to take out all of these screws. Hopefully I might use a nut driver. Take the cap off and take this cover off and probably rinse it in soap and water to restore it to its former glory. Let's see where it takes us. I wipe down the back. I'm able to see all of this stuff. It's Hypertherm, all the different LEDs, everything in there that was originally crudded. Looks nice. Surprise! Found a nut driver here. This box of special security screws that I might have to do something more to it. So I've removed all the sheet metal screws from the body of the Hypertherm. This looks like a sheet metal cover. Hopefully I should be able to lift it, but before I get too caught up, there are two Allen keys here that I got to remove. Allen screws. So I removed those two handle Allen bolts. That's what they look like. And hopefully I should be able to lift this off and see what's in there. Voila! It looks a lot cleaner than I thought it was going to look like. I'm feeling a little more comfortable about the state of this. And on this side too. Looks like a pretty simple board. A little bit of alcohol and spraying alcohol and some good clean air. I should be able to clean it significantly. We shall see. Quite surprised by how clean it looks despite the fact that the cover looks pretty grimy. I'm going to probably hit that with a little bit of soap and water to see how much of cleaning happens. So it looks like there's a screw there. There's another screw down here. There's another screw down here. And if I remove those, I should be able to just gently ease the board forward and clean the back. It looks surprisingly clean. So I've got the water hose all set up. I'm gonna just give it a little spray and see where it takes us. I think I want to put it on clean. That's the plan. Probably hit it with some soap and a brush and see what it does. So this is part one of the cleaning fight. I cleaned it with a little bit of soap and water and a little brush. Doesn't look like it removed some of the crud, but there's still a lot more left. I'm probably going to hit it with a little bit of compressed air to dry it and then chase it with alcohol to see if I can get a better outcome of this. This is exactly how it looks right now. It's a little cleaner than where we were before, but long ways to go. So after round one of cleaning, this is what the Hypertherm looks like now. From where it was. And the inside's also pretty clean. This is what the inside looks like after I just did a little cursory wipe with alcohol. It looks halfway decent. It's not. So I'm getting ready to paint the Hypertherm case. Taped it up on all the three sides, and hopefully the paint job will restore it to its original color. We shall see. And so this is my paint job. I think it's gonna look okay once I peel the tape. Hopefully I'll have a better view. So after I peeled all the stickers, from a distance it looks pretty decent. I wouldn't call it $1 million paint job, but it's definitely a far cry from where it was when I got it a couple of weeks ago. So I'm happy with it. I'm going to start assembling it. And so this is the after. It came in loaded with gunk. Took it out, did a bit of cleaning, another slight paint job, put the hardware back together. Looks just like new. So it's not perfect, but pretty happy with the way it turned out. So I'd call this cosmetically restored, reasonably restored Hypertherm Powermax 350. Kind of like it. It's cosmetically in a much better shape than when it came in. So I think it's time for